The Raspberry Pi Foundation released the Raspberry Pi 4B development board in 2019. 4 years later, the price of the Raspberry Pi 4B development board is still high. Why do most users choose Raspberry Pi to complete some experimental projects? The main reason is that it has a complete community ecosystem, from basic extension hardware to software adaptation, as well as solutions to various problems. You can find solutions in the community. Therefore, for new starter, the learning threshold is low and it is easy to use. Even if you don't know anything about Raspberry Pi, you can find the answers you want in the perfect community ecosystem of Raspberry Pi and easily realize the projects you want. Today, I will share several mainstream Raspberry Pi communities for you to systematically learn Raspberry Pi. There are open source projects shared by many enthusiasts. If you have any questions, you can also post and communicate in the community. OpenSource.com. Recommended Index, 4 stars. OpenSource.com is a community service project provided by Red Hat, which aims to explore the application mode of open source and influence other industries besides the software development industry. In this website, users can find many guiding blogs, including Getting Started Guide, Excellent Projects, Resource Updates, and so on. Instructables. Recommendation Index, 5 stars. Instructables is a website for users to learn and share DIY. It is jointly maintained by great people from all over the world. By displaying DIY, users can share their creative imagination, curiosity, and outstanding achievements. In this community, you can see a wide variety of Raspberry Pi projects. GitHub. Recommended Index, 5 stars. GitHub is a hosting platform for open source and private software projects. Many well-known scholars and companies are using it to manage the codebase and project deployment. Therefore, you can search a lot of excellent open source projects and tutorial materials, such as using TensorFlow to realize the autopilot cars and smart home control platform based on Raspberry Pi. You can use and download these items for free on the premise of complying with the license. Hackster.io. Recommended Index, 5 stars. Hackster is an open source website with various platforms. There are many leaders who have been committed to sharing open source projects, including deep learning, neural network, video processing, ROS robot development, etc. Almost all projects have source code sharing, which is very suitable for learning together. Official community of Raspberry Pi. Recommendation Index, 5 stars. As the official website of Raspberry Pi, it naturally brings together Raspberry Pi lovers and geeks from all over the world. Not only projects, but also some basic operations, such as how to install the system for Raspberry Pi and other entry-level tutorials, are also everywhere in this community. The above are some websites and forums about Raspberry Pi that I share with you today. If you have any questions during using Raspberry Pi, you can go to these websites for help. Thank you for watching.